How to fix Instagram bio glitch. Is Instagram not letting you update your bio? Maybe you are getting an error message or your changes aren't saving. Don't worry, I've got some quick and easy solutions to fix this Instagram bio glitch. So let's get started. First of all, check for prohibited words or characters. Instagram has strict bio guidelines, and certain words, emojis, or special characters may trigger an error. Remove any special characters or symbols. Avoid banned words like follow me, certain links, or sensitive terms. Try adding your bio one sentence at a time to find what's causing the issue. Step 2 is to log out and log back in. A simple logout and login can refresh your account settings. For that, go to the settings. Tap onto 3 lines, just right here. Then tap onto the search bar and type logout. Now tap onto logout to log out from the app and simply log in back. Now another step is to clear the cache. For that, go to the Settings app and tap onto General right here. Then tap onto iPhone Storage and find the Instagram app and open it. Then tap onto Offload app. And by offloading the app, the cache of the Instagram will be cleared. Now the final step is to update the Instagram. For that, go to the App Store. Then open the Instagram app. After opening it, if there is the upgrade version right here, simply upgrade it. And that's it. Hopefully one of these fixes helped you update your Instagram bio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.